stand tall, dreamed I could conquer, could rise above all. But mercy whispered softly instead, you'll learn more kneeling than lifting your head. I asked for health to chase brighter days, but pain became the teacher that showed me grace. Every scar, a line in the song, it told me weakness can still be strong. I got nothing that I prayed for, but everything I needed most. In the silence, in the waiting, I found love I didn't know. He broke me down to build me up. The answers hid in my despair. Now I see it was mercy there in every unanswered prayer. I asked for riches to fill my hands, but I was given the heart to understand that peace don't live where gold resides, but in the truth no coin can hide. I asked for power to be praised by men, but I was made humble, brought low again. And in that stillness I came to see the power was never in me.
I asked for all things so I might enjoy life, but He gave me life through joy and through strife. I fell to my knees and I found it there.
Grace in disguise through unanswered prayer.
I asked for all things so I might enjoy life, and He gave me life through joy and through strife. I fell to my knees and I found it there.
Grace in disguise,
Grace in disguise.
grace in disguise. I got nothing that I prayed for, but everything my soul desired. In the breaking, in the burning, I was shaped by holy fire. Now I know He was always there, in the quiet, in the air. And I'm among all men most blessed by every unanswered prayer. I got nothing that I asked for. But all that I had hoped for, unspoken words heaven heard, and I was blessed through every unanswered